Picture yourself in the roaring 20s. The stock market is booming, jazz fills the air, and America is moving faster than ever before. If you wanted the finest automobile money could buy, many wealthy Americans chose a Pierce Arrow. Built in Buffalo, New York, Pierce Arrow earned a reputation for unmatched quality, luxury, and craftsmanship. Every detail was designed to impress, from the powerful engine to the elegant bodywork and spacious interior. These cars were not mass-produced like many others of the era. They were built for people who expected the very best. Business tycoons, Hollywood stars, and world leaders rode in Pierce Arrows. Their distinctive headlights, built into the front fenders, made them instantly recognizable on the road. Owning a Pierce Arrow wasn't just about transportation. It was a symbol of success, prestige, and achievement. During the height of the Roaring Twenties, few automobiles commanded more respect. Today, these magnificent machines remind us of a time when luxury was handcrafted, and the Pierce Arrow stood among the greatest automobiles America ever produced.